That's why the drills are unique. Whoever designed them and whenever they did. It's already proven that it doesn't take much to hurt someone with this thing. Okay, so if we may now. Okay, so from the freelance, we have the box pattern, and from the box pattern you go to the freelance. I'm just going to a little quicker now. Okay, so all the box pattern is a set of movements so that we do the same thing, like the single sombrata. We designate the line, and you do the counter, and you feed back the line, like you just did. Okay, so the box pattern goes is also the same thing. So the box pattern will look like this. Okay. So we switch it on the opposite side. Okay. Basically, this is it. Okay. And this is just a reference, and then from here we're going to freelance. But basically, this is it. So basically, I'm sounding like a video now. You guys know what video I'm talking about? You guys know. Some of you guys know. They thought that we were pile here. Basically, as you can see.
We have a lot of fun.
I was watching my tapes a little while ago, and I was doing the same thing I started using. But I know they're saying with great respect, you know, to the individual. But you see out there, you criticize somebody, and you look at your own thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. But that's the box pattern. Can we do that? All right. Let's try that out too. Stay confused all the time. Okay. So the pattern. Let's face this way for now. All right. So we'll look one more time. Okay. So I feed one. Okay. Like the techniques we're doing, he feeds back a 4. From the 4, I go to the 5. He goes to the wing. From the wing, he comes back with the 2 to the shield. From the shield, I feed 1 on this side, so he goes to the umbrella or the roof, which he just did. Okay? He comes back on the 6 here. Okay? And then boom. We start the cycle. Okay? That's all we're doing here. And now here I go pile instead of the roof. Okay? I normally don't. I really don't really want you guys to do this. Okay? Okay, I just want to bring that point out. Whether you have it, because we don't normally go that route at the beginning stages because they stay out of this line. Okay, so if we come out here, we feed back to 1 instead. If we go pile on, we feed back to 1. Okay, so you see what I mean by the same thing. From the single to the box, then you got to get to the freelance. Okay, and basically that's it. So from your first stage, second stage, and third stage technique flow, along with everything else, you should have a good foundation. So I mean, you know all the lines, all the angles, and such, and you just take it into another environment. Okay, so when you're freelancing, but I gotta go slow again. I think Louis too quick for me nowadays, and he's one way. When you're freelance, no matter where you start off at, okay, and no matter where you go, okay, however you change, okay, I'm just gonna go slow here, okay, okay. And this is where sometimes we just want to do it. Okay? We just take our time. And it doesn't matter where your line is going to go. Okay? Being polite with me right now. Okay? But you just free express, and you take it at a slow rate. So that the drills are so basic that you can exchange with anybody. Okay, so I'll tell you, good Robert, you want to come out and play with good Louis there, and at a medium slow medium pace. Okay, so they never met before. For the newcomers, the drill is the same. And that's what the neat part about the exercise. You meet fellow practitioners in this basic system. You can exchange and play. Okay. Okay, hi, very good. You see, that's one proof of point. They haven't seen each other. See, that's so nice when your family sisters. Family sisters. I'm messing up good today. But that's, two guys exchange, and pretty soon you get to know each other, and boom. Okay, and that's really unique since we do push the family atmosphere or philosophy anyway. Okay, and that's when we all like camaraderie, where you can help each other go boom. Okay, so I'm going to have you guys play a little bit on the freelance, and then we're going to go in a little different environment just to close out with that. When I say close out, I want to spend some time on it. Okay, so just maybe we should stick with the box pattern, but Okay, well the whole deal with this is that you're gonna go for the arm. Okay, so the first stage we term is we're hitting on the stick or on the sombrado, bang. Second stage we're hitting on the hand here, bang. Okay, so you're going a little more direct right now, or derecho. Okay, flexion number 2. First stage you block it on the stick. Second stage you hit it on the hand. Okay, so your whole flow process will be centered around that. Now sometimes if it's not there, you take it back on the stick again. Okay, but when you start up the sombrado, it's basically what you're going to do. Basically again. Okay, so now, see, I just respond by taking it on the hand. This allows us to see what it is to direct hit with this. Okay? The only thing with this, most of the time you want to angle, there's a tendency to kind of like switch out. Okay? Alright? So in the color comes into play. We can't help. I mean, I'm doing the same thing. Because that guy, you want to use the angle to hit. Then normally, we teach it as such, okay, to get the angle. Okay, because if it's coming in quick there, and you want to go for it, because obviously here the target is extended out farther, okay, it's easier to get to, okay, as far as the block itself. Okay, but sometimes to get in here, you need to steal the angle a little bit to reach it. Okay, so that's why when you feed it to where your partner can get to it a little bit. Okay, and then the third stage we go to the body. So when I feed one, at any time, boom, you take that first. Okay, here. Okay, he's hitting some kind of way to the major. Okay, some kind of way to the major. Okay, oops, excuse me. Okay, that's all we're doing here. Mm. Mm. Okay, so in your flow, eventually everybody's exchanging. The shots are picked. Okay. It's just that when you go to a minor or major, you hit, you come back, and you feed again in a sense, so the person can respond to that, so the flow can continue on. Okay. So right now, just take it to this point though. Just take it to the arm. Okay. So in the sense when the action begins, boom, you're already hitting. You're already hitting, right? Bang, bang. You're already hitting. Pack. I just got stabbed. Okay. All right. Thank you, sir. All right, let's just try that out. Okay? So we're giving you the full picture today, see? But your seafood is a little more control now. All right? So you already found out from the hand that you get a control anyway. Okay? So with the body, you want to make sure that you get the shot in. See, right there, he has good control so I don't get smacked in here, see? Okay, now sometimes if it's not there, go ahead and take the hand. Okay? If the shot is clear, take the body. Okay, so now we're taking all the stages in now. But right now, we'll concentrate on the major. So we went from the first stage, we're getting on the stick. Second stage, which is termed as the minor here. Third stage is the major now. Okay, so in reality, so it's just like empty hand. Just like empty hand, if I hit and bang, it's a direct boom. That's all that is. Okay, so that's all you're doing there. So as subtle as that is, I'm getting hit right away. Ah! And if you can get that shot in, it's down already. Okay, but here is put a nice little drill. I'm going to talk about the drills. That's why the drills are unique. Whoever designed them and whenever they did, that we were here to be able to practice these. Okay, so that's taking us it's still in derecho, direct hitting, but now we hit to the major. Okay.